everyone, I'm Miss Phonics and today we're going to be learning a new sound. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the air sound. Now the air sound is a trigraph because it's made up of 3 letters. The letters E, A and R together make a air sound. Now you might be thinking, I've heard the air sound before. And that's because the letters A, I and R make an air sound and the letters A, R and E make an air sound. Air, 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 air. But today we're going to be learning this air sound. Now when I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Air, air, air. Excellent. Now we're going to have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the air sound. Oh, I found a bear. Can you hear the air sound at the end of bear? Bear, bear. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the air sound. Oh, yummy. I found a pear. Can you hear the air sound at the end of pear? Pear, pear. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the air sound. Oh, I found a piece of paper that has a tear in it. Can you hear the air sound at the end of tear? Tear, tear. Excellent. So tear, pear and bear all use the air sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the air sound. To write the air sound, we need to write the letters E, A and R. For our E, we start here. We go forward, up, round and down. For A, we start at the top. We go all the way round and down. And for our R, we start at the top, all the way down, back up and over. Now I want you joining in, so let's get those magic fingers ready. Give them a shake and a wiggle. Give your shoulders a big roll so you're ready for writing. You can use one hand as a magic piece of paper, your other one as a magic finger to do the writing on. Are we ready? Magic fingers and start here. Forward, up, round and down. Start at the top. All the way round and down. Start at the top, all the way down, back up and over. Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start here. Forward, up, back, round and down. Start at the top, all the way round and down. Start at the top, all the way down, back up and over. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the air sound. Our first word today is pear. My turn first. P, air, pear. Your turn. Pear. My turn again. Air, pear. Your turn. Pear. Well done. Our next word is bear. My turn first. B, air, bear. Your turn. Bear. My turn again. B, air, bear. Your turn. Bear. Well done. And our last word for today is where. My turn first. Where. Where. Your turn. Where. My turn again. Where. Where. Your turn. Where. Excellent. You've worked really hard today and should be feeling very proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!